welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm making a Tuscan Kale and butter bean soup. If you guys are interested in other soup ideas, check out my channel and stay tuned for more soups this winter. The day before I start this soup, I soak the dried beans in water. After soaking, I simmer the beans in chicken stock with a piece of yellow onion and a bay leaf. Next, I start a pan with a little bit of olive oil and pancetta. I slice the garlic pretty thinly for this soup, and I do a medium-large dice on the onion. I wanted to have some chunks of garlic and onion throughout because the garlic and the onion will be some of the main vegetables in this. I spent some time chopping the rosemary pretty finely. Big woody pieces of rosemary in a soup are not good. I like to use Tuscan kale, not only for this soup, but in general. I chop the kale very finely, then add it into the pot and let it cook down for a few minutes. At this point, the beans are done. I add some whole beans into the kale pot, then using an immersion blender, I blend the remainder of the beans in the chicken stock until smooth. Then I combine all the ingredients. It'll simmer for a couple minutes and then it's done. I enjoy my soup with some shredded chicken because I'm always sneaking more protein into everything. Stay tuned to see how I made the shredded chicken for meal prep.